In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple strategy that you can use to start earning passive income promoting Clickbank products. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And I'll be showing you how to do this even as a complete beginner. As long as you follow the step-by-step process that I'm about to lay out in this video, you are definitely going to earn money online. So the first thing you want to do is to create a Clickbank account if you don't have one already. And all you need to do is to head over to clickbank.com and you want to click on start here and you will be able to create a free account on clickbank.com. So once you have your account created, your dashboard is going to look like this. This is where you are going to see how much you've earned in the past week or in the current week. So basically, I'm going to show you how you too can start making money on Clickbank. So once you come over to your account and your dashboard is going to look like this. So you want to come over to this place that says marketplace. So once you do that, you are going to be brought to a page that looks like this, where you have access to varieties of products from various categories that you can start promoting on Clickbank right away and start earning money. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking the e-business and e-marketing category as an example. So if I click on this category, you're going to see there are over 190 products on this category alone, which means I have access to all of these products and I can start promoting them right away and start earning commissions. And also you want to make sure before you select any product on Clickbank, you want to check the gravity score, because this basically tells you how many affiliates are currently making money promoting that product. And if other affiliates are making money, you definitely have a chance to make money promoting the same product as well. All right. So now I'm going to be selecting this product right here that says get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So basically, we are going to be targeting people who are looking to make money on social media. And now I'm going to show you how to use this product right here to start making money from today. And also, if you look at the gravity score of this product, over 300, and you can see right here, you are also going to get a recurring commission of $39 every single month as long as people remain on this product. Although you are going to get paid your initial commission of $19 for everyone who signs up for this product. Okay, so now the next step you want to do is to click on the affiliate page. So once you click on the affiliate page, you are going to be brought to a page that looks like this, where the vendor of this product has provided you with various resources that you can use to promote this product and earn money for them. So basically, it's a win-win situation. All right, so the next step you want to do is to basically scroll down to this section that says short ads. So once you do that, you are going to see this section that says $950 a week posting pre-made videos on YouTube. So basically, there are a lot of people out there who are looking to make money online and they won't mind making almost $1,000 every single week posting videos on YouTube. So I'm going to show you the next thing you are going to do from here. So you want to head over to this website called Gibo.com. So once you come over to this website, you want to make sure to click on this post. So once you do that, you are going to be brought to a page that looks like this. All right. So the next step you want to do is to basically come back to this page and you want to copy this title of this short ad and you want to basically paste in the title right here. And then you want to go back to this page and you want to copy the rest of this post. Then you want to paste it in right here. So basically it's that simple. All right. So now the final thing you want to do is to basically add your affiliate link. And now to do that, you want to go back to clickbank.com and you want to click on promote and you want to click on generate uplink. And once you do that, you are going to see your Clickbank link right here. So you want to copy your link. And now the next step is to basically go back to this page. And now you don't want to paste in the link like this. You want to shorten this link so that it looks good. So you want to head over to this website called cut.ly and you want to scroll down and you want to paste in your Clickbank link and you want to click on shorten. So once you do that, you want to click on copy to copy your shortened link. And then you want to go back to Gibo and then you want to paste in the link right here. All right. So once you do that, you want to type in something in front of this link. You want to type in copy and paste this in your browser. Okay, so basically once you type this right here, people know they have to copy this link and they want to paste it on their browser. So once people click on the link, they will be brought to this page. As you can see, they will get paid between $25 to $50 per hour working from home. Okay, so basically all they just need to do is to answer this short quiz right here. And if they purchase this product, you are going to be making $19 for your first commission, and you will be making $39 every single month as long as these people remain on this product. And also, as you can see right here, over 327 gravity score. This tells you people are making massive earnings from this product. So now if you go back to Gibo.com, so basically once you do this, the next step is to select a category that fits the product. And now you want to select this financial. And now for the postal code, so now you want to come over to Google and type in any state in the US. So I'm taking New York as an example. So you want to type that and you want to type in zip code. So now you want to copy any of these zip codes. Okay, so once you copy this zip code, you want to then go back to Gibo. Then you want to paste in the zip code right here and you want to type in the state. All right, so as you can see right here, everything looks good. So now for email address, you want to create a dedicated email address for this process and you want to type in the email address right here. And if for some reasons you don't wish to use your email address, you can basically come over to this website called fakenamegenerator.com and you want to scroll down. You are going to see free email address that you can use. And all you just need to do is to copy this email address and you want to paste the email address right here. Okay, so basically you can copy the name and you can just paste it in like this. All right, so now for the contact phone number, you can basically go back to the website and you are going to see the phone number that you can use right here. And all you just need to do is to paste it in right here. All right, so now for the next step, which says photos, all you just need to do is to go back to the affiliate page and you want to look for where it says Facebook ad images. All right, so you want to click on this Facebook ad images and all you just need to do is to download these images right here. Okay, so I'm going to download this one. So once you download the image, you want to then come back to these photos and you want to upload the image you just downloaded. Okay, so after uploading the image, okay, the next step you want to do is to click on I'm not a robot and then you want to click on accept terms of use and you want to click on post. Okay, so basically that is the simple strategy in a nutshell. So basically people who come to this website every single day looking to make money or looking for work from home services, they are going to find your product in the financial categories and all they just need to do is to click on the link and they will be taken to the sales page of this product. And some of them definitely are going to purchase this product and you will be making money because they are also going to earn money using this product as well. All right, so basically you want to repeat this same strategy for as many products on Clickbank as possible. And keep in mind, you don't have to target United States alone. You can come over here and change country and you can type in any country that you wish to target on this website. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.